No secret, the pandemic has hurt many Americans, especially families with children. For those that were already struggling, their housing, health, and financial situations got much worse, and we're still not out of it yet.
But the Biden administration's American Rescue Plan is estimated to cut child poverty in half this year, not just with the stimulus money, but with the historic expansion of the child tax credit. New tonight, our Amanda Quintana breaks down what it will mean for Dane County families.
Over the past year, families weren't able to pay their rents on time. Families weren't able to cover utility costs. Families were just barely able to provide 3 meals.
Dominique Christian knows exactly what it feels like for the kids in those families.
Just based off of my lived experience with homelessness, and then now working within the homelessness system, I often think about the impact that it has on children.
Recent data shows in Dane County, 60,000 people are living in poverty, including 1 in 6 children. But there's no question the pandemic has increased those numbers. Haley Chesnick with United Way Dane County says increasing the child tax credit to $3,000 and $3,600 for kids under 6 will make a huge impact for those families.
The expansion of the child tax credit is projected to benefit 92% of all Wisconsin children, because it's going to provide more relief for families of over 1 million children in our state. And it will specifically help lift over 46,000 children out of poverty in Wisconsin.
Nationally, it's projected to cut child poverty in half. But here's the catch. There's an expiration date on those credits, so that's only for this year.
COVID hasn't brought on something new. It has essentially exacerbated what was already going on. It has highlighted structural and systemic racism.
Although the families Christian works with at the Road Home are grateful for the money, it's more of a Band-Aid than a fix, helping them pay off bills and stay afloat, but with no real change of the systems of oppression that got them where they are now, with Black and brown families disproportionately represented in unemployment numbers, homelessness, lack of health care access, and now more likely to die of COVID.
The COVID-19 pandemic may go away. How we experience racism within our society is not going anywhere.
In a state known for being one of the worst for racial equity, the Black population makes up just 5% of Dane County and 68% of the homeless population. Organizations like United Way and the Road Home know the root cause of poverty needs to be addressed.
To really get at the deep, severe inequities that have persisted for so long in our community.
Or when the money runs out, many families will be right back in the same situation. Amanda Quintana, News 3 Now.
If you need help, you can call 211, where a specialist can help you get the resources you need. United Way says last spring those calls were up 400%. They're still seeing double the call volume, showing there's still a big need in Dane County.